Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on high performance mode on Windows 10 and 11. Switch on Windows Performance Boost. First thing we're going to do is to right click on the start or Windows icon and click on run. What we're going to type in here is powercfg.cpl. Once you have typed that in, click on OK and the power options window should pop up. From here, if high performance is already selected, then that's good. But if you don't see it from this list, you can click on change plan settings under the balanced option. So click on it. And from here, click on change advanced power settings. This window will pop up and look for processor power management. And first, we're going to open up the minimum processor state by just clicking on the plus icon beside it. And we are going to set it from 0 to 5%. So if it is not within those values, you can change it to 5 or any value from 0 to 5. So I'm just going to keep it at 0. And for the maximum processor rate, open it up and it should be set to 100%. If you're using laptop, it might have two options under the minimum and maximum, which is on battery and plugged. Both options should have the same value, which is 100% for maximum, and for minimum, it should be 0 to 5%. Once you have done that, click on apply and OK, and restart your computer and see that you have better performance for your computer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.